So now that we have our golden ratio circles ready, let us learn how to make a logo with them. Golden ratio logos are meant to be eye pleasing. So let us first try to replicate a logo. So many companies use golden ratio logos, example Twitter, Apple. So let us try to replicate Twitter logo. For that, the first step is you need to sketch out the logo and paste it over here. Okay, so we have it ready. Next, right click, arrange, and send it to the back so that this layer is at the back. Now we have to start taking one circle after another and start placing them on the sketch. So hold Alt and drag the circle you want to duplicate like that. I think the image can be a bit smaller like this. Maybe a bit more smaller. Okay, now we can take another circle and place it over here. Okay, next we will take care of the tail and the wings. So a slightly smaller circle. I think this will work. So one over here, and one over here, and one over here, now let us take care of the other curves. So one over here, one over here, maybe a bit down. Okay, and one over here. Okay, now coming to the head, I think this can be here like this. Let us align it properly. Let us zoom in a bit first and then align it properly with this, and maybe bring it a bit down. Okay, after this we can take the same circle, duplicate it, and we have to make this shape. Okay, we got the peak. We need few more curves here. Okay, and one more last one over here. Now what we need to do is we need to hide this sketch. Hide it. So let us first start removing what all unwanted things we want. So select these circles. Actually we don't need these golden ratio circles anymore, so let us delete them first. So select them and delete. Okay, now we want our Twitter logo from this, so let us select this entire set and let us choose our shape builder tool. Okay, we don't need this path, so alt and select that path. Okay, next we don't need these or this, so the head part is done. Now let us go to this wings. So we don't need this path, so let us remove it. Same goes for this. Hold alt and click on the path that you don't need. Okay. So now you might be confused, so it's better you switch on the layer again, make it visible. Now we don't need this path, we don't need this path, and this entire thing is going to be one thing. Okay, it's easier to draw like this, isn't it? So we don't need this path, and this is going to be one thing. Sorry. We don't need this path. So when we remove this, we have few things to adjust. So it went wrong over here, so let us correct it. So select it once again and shape builder tool. Now carefully draw out the shape. And carefully remove the parts that we don't need. Hold alt, click on the parts we don't need. Okay. This entire thing is going to be one thing, so join them, and there is a little bit. Okay, all good. Now if you remove the image, okay, there are some more small adjustments to be made. So select it and go to the shape builder tool, hold alt and remove the lines that we don't need. Alt, all good. Now you just have to fill the color, and then you'll have your Twitter logo. I have a Twitter logo here. So let us first go to properties. Okay, I don't want the stroke, so remove the stroke. Now select the path and pick the color and fill it. It's as simple as that. So you can make many different kinds of logos with golden ratio. Keep trying.